For a Kansas City Chiefs-themed Super Bowl party, consider serving a spread that celebrates the city's iconic flavors with hearty, crowd-pleasing dishes. Here's a list that balances traditional Kansas City favorites with classic game day fare. Main dishes. Kansas City-style BBQ rib. Tender. Slow-cooked pork ribs slathered in a sweet and tangy Kansas City BBQ sauce, finished on the grill for a perfect caramelized crust. Burnt and smoky, caramelized cubes of beef brisket, rich with BBQ flavor and a melt-in-your-mouth texture. Pulled pork sliders. Juicy pulled pork piled on soft slider buns with a drizzle of BBQ sauce and a scoop of tangy coleslaw. BBQ brisket sandwiches. Sliced smoked brisket served on a toasted bun with pickles, onions, and a generous pour of Kansas City BBQ sauce. BBQ chicken wing. Crispy wings coated in a sticky, sweet, and spicy BBQ glaze. Perfect for finger-licking enjoyment. Side dishes. Cheesy corn bake. A creamy, cheesy casserole featuring sweet corn. Perfect as a rich and savory side dish. BQ baked beans. Slow-cooked beans with bits of smoky brisket or bacon, sweet molasses, and a hint of spice. Creamy coleslaw. A crisp cabbage and carrots tossed in a creamy, tangy dressing, ideal for cutting through rich BBQ flavors. Potato salad. Classic Midwestern-style potato salad with creamy mayo, mustard, pickles, and hard-boiled eggs. Appetizers and finger food. Mini BBQ meatballs. Bite-sized meatballs glazed with Kansas City BBQ sauce, served with toothpicks for easy snacking. Loaded BBQ nachos. Crispy tortilla chips topped with pulled pork, melted cheese, jalapenos, sour cream, and BBQ drizzle. Jalapeno poppers. Fresh jalapeno stuffed with cream cheese and sprinkled with bacon, then baked until crispy. Smoked sausage bite. Chunks of smoky sausage skewered with pickles and cheese cubes for a simple yet flavorful snack. Dessert. Cherry cheesecake. Creamy cheesecake layered with a sweet cherry topping, a nod to Kansas's love for cherry dessert. Kansas City BBQ apple. Crisp. A warm spiced apple crisp with a crunchy oat topping, served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Red velvet cupcakes. Vibrant red cupcakes with cream cheese frosting, decorated with Chiefs-themed sprinkles. Gooey butter cookies. Soft, rich cookies with a slightly crisp exterior and a gooey, buttery center. Beverages. Kansas City craft beer. Local favorites like Boulevard Brewing Company selections to showcase the city's vibrant beer scene. The Arrowhead Red cocktail. A bold, red-hued drink featuring cranberry juice, vodka, lime, and a splash of club soda. Spiked sweet tea. Refreshing iced tea with a hint of bourbon, served over ice with a lemon wedge. Non-alcoholic options. Classic lemonade, iced tea, and fruit punch to keep everyone hydrated. This lineup blends Kansas City's rich BBQ tradition with classic game day favorites, making your Super Bowl party a surefire hit. Go Chiefs! Please like the video and leave a comment below. Please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.